I know, it's kind of late in the market, but hear me out. If you have a 2021 to 2024 RSV4, your bike deserves this, and let me show you why. Since I installed the JL Designs taillight with integrated turn signals, I had no options when it came to a license plate bracket. So I had to fabricate one from a different manufacturer, cut it, and as you can tell, it's ugly. Why? It's just a plain metal bracket. You can see cables. This is not an image you want for your RS4. This is. Let's unbox it. All right, guys. When I saw this in person, I was like, yes, finally a proper Fender Eliminator for the RSV4. Wait until you see this installed on this bike. Now, guys, the reason I'm excited about this, I want to tell you a few things about this Fender Eliminator. And part of the reason why this took long, there is a reason why most of the manufacturers just make ugly looking parts, because it takes time to manufacture something like this. So in this case, I'm more of a better late than never. So I'm super glad it's here. Also because what you see here, because if you own a 2025 and above RSV4, don't skip this video. This is also for you. This is the basis of the design for the new 2025 and above by JL Designs Fender Eliminator for the new RSV4s. So I can't say much about this and what's coming, but I've seen it and it looks amazing. But for now, let's stick to this and let's go ahead and install it. Well, let me show you what it comes with in the box. It's super simple. It comes with this bracket, of course, for the license plate, and screws are provided to be able to screw this bracket right here in these holes. These are threaded right here. So threaded here and threaded there, which is perfect because most of these brackets, what happens, they're not threaded. They just pass a whole big screw through it, and when you tighten it, it still plays around. This does not. This is perfect. And also the entire piece here, you can see it's a two-piece. See the lines over there? Look at that design, man. This is just, this is why I love JL Designs, because they take the time to make sure that it will be the perfect design. So this comes pre-installed already. You won't have to do it. These screws are here that attach the piece above it. And of course, the harness for the lights that will go directly into your JL Designs harness if you've installed the JL Designs taillight. Now for the installation, I'll go really quick. With the key, of course, you're gonna remove the rear cowl, expose everything here, and next you're gonna remove these 4mm hex for the seat, so we can remove the seat and get access to the undertail. Next, of course, with the 4mm, just remove the bolt right there, loosen it up, remove this one too, and then remove the seat. Now the screws are out, remove the seat, and now we're gonna remove this 4mm hex here too. With the 4mm, unbolt this, and with the screw out, just pop this off. And we're good. Okay, everything is off, and I also removed the previous eliminator that I had. I removed this. I didn't show how to do it because chances are you have your own eliminator there already, so you know how to remove it. But if you have the stock Fender, I have a video on my channel how to remove that. Now, this is why I love this, besides the fact that it looks amazing. It's so easy to install. All you need to do is take these two holes, align them there, and put the screws in, and it's done. That simple. Of course, you have to weave the cable inside, and guess what? No cable will be visible after that. And that's it. I don't know if you remember this middle screw that goes up there. This was a pain to get to align with the eliminator. This is so easy, guys. I love this. I'm gonna show you how it looks right now once I weave this cable in. Okay, so I already weaved the cable in, and I placed one of the screws here, so just I can keep it in place. You will get two of these screws and two of these lock nuts that will go right there. That's the lock nut over there. So you will need a 10mm for that lock nut and a 4mm for this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place this one there and above here. And if you can see, I already weaved these two license plate light cables that will go already on my JL Designs harness, which is color labeled red and black for the red and black cable of this. All right, I also placed this bracket here, and I inserted this screw first so I can hold it in place, and then I'll insert the other screw there right here for the second one. And screw it in just like that. And then with the 4mm, you can screw it all the way in. Yep. Tighten a little bit, and you can choose the position where you want it all the way flat in or there. And once I put the license plate on, I'll show you the positions. Okay, I also placed the red on red, the black and black over here, and the harness. This is from the JL Designs taillight, yellow and blue. And let's test functionality of the light. There you go. Perfect, right here, license plate light. I'm going to place the license plate on it to see how it illuminates it too, right here. My guess is if you place it all the way back, it's not gonna be illuminated, but the light will be there. But if you place it here, it will. All right guys, everything is installed. I'm gonna turn it on so I can show you the light and how it looks with the license plate. See how it illuminates the license plate right there and there. And of course, if you know me, I'm going to run my license plate all the way to the back here. This is how I like to run it. And obviously when it's down there, it's not really illuminated, but that's really not much of a concern for me, because running the license plate there doesn't really need to be illuminated much, but still there's illumination here because it goes all the way down there. Look at that. You know guys, I'm so excited about this. Like, it's such a small part, and yet it makes me so happy because now I feel that my bike is finally finalized. Like, I mean, yeah, let me do some turn signal for you for the light, because if you want this Fender Eliminator, it actually comes as a package too, combo, the light and the Fender Eliminator combined. You can save money if you buy them combined. Now, if you already have the light, because I know a lot of you bought the light and you have the RSV4 21 to 24, go ahead and get this. You're not gonna regret it. Now, if you bought the taillight before using my coupon code, you don't need my coupon code anymore. All you need to do is go to the description of this video, and there you will find my affiliate link that will give you exclusive pricing. And while you're on the JL Designs website, don't forget, check out the preview photos of the 2025 and above RSV4 Fender Eliminator. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.